Okay. Can you straighten me out too, please? Thank you. Ooh,
That was a good one.
Your corn is really pretty, Bernie. That's a good one.
You're pretty great.
Oh,
it took over. It will actually, for the most part, recover for most.
Well, these aren't made for that. These are made for this kind of stuff.
Climbing that. You need to change.
You'd make a hell of a salesman for these things, Dad. Like, hold my beer and watch this.
Yeah.
Okay, hold my beer and watch this.
Are you waving the red flag? What's going on?
I think so.
You stopping the race?
Yep.
Oh, come on! Oh, David's got hot car. Come on, David, go! Hammer down! Oh, yeah! Where are you going? Let me see how good a jump we can do. I want to try one jump. Yeah, I just kind of steer it nice and easy. Come around the corner.
Straighten it up and gun it.
I missed it. Well, there's a weed eater thing. Oh, well, that was kind of poopy. Come on, car. Oh. Uh-oh, we got the 27 out here.
Oh! Oh! Oh, that was awesome. Oh! Oh, wow. Whoa!
No, that wasn't the garbage can.
That was don't hit the watermelon.
Yeah, don't hit my watermelon.